Today, we're creating a super fun and realistic video call effect, perfect for storytelling edits, online meeting skits, FaceTime style scenes, or reaction based videos. CapCut gives you a built in interface that instantly makes your footage look like it's part of a real online call. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and tap the clip to select it. Now, head to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, go to Video Effects. And remember, all video effects in CapCut Mobile apply directly onto your clip. From the categories, open the Screen tab. Here, look for the effect called Video Call, then tap to apply it. Right away, you'll see a complete video call interface appear on your footage, including borders, icons, and a slight animation that mimics joining a call. It instantly transforms the scene into a virtual meeting environment. To customize how the effect looks, tap on it again. You'll see two sliders. Speed controls how quickly the call interface animates onto the screen. Slide right for a fast pop-in animation. Slide left for a smoother, slower reveal. Intensity controls the opacity of the interface. Increasing it makes the call UI brighter, sharper, and fully visible. Decreasing it softens the interface, making it blend naturally over your footage. You can also drag the effect's edges on the timeline to decide how long the call interface stays visible. And that's it. You've added a clean and realistic video call effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for creative skits, comedy, storytelling, and reaction videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.